Well, the most important voice in the upcoming election is yours, the voice of the voter.
That's why ABC 15 went directly to you, the people in our community, to find out what issues you think the next governor should focus on once in office. Tonight, we look at the U.S. Mexico border and how each candidate plans to address immigration enforcement. One of the biggest topics in Arizona politics is the border, a platform both Republican Kari Lake and Democrat Katie Hobbs have hinged their campaigns to. When we asked voters what they think should be done about immigration enforcement at the U.S. Mexico border, answers were across the board.
Immigration reform regarding steps to make it more easier for people to come into our country.
I don't believe we should have open borders. If you want to come into this country legally.
Well, I think there's got to be a balance between letting people in, and giving them the opportunity for a better life, but not making sure we're taking too much away from our citizens here already.
Lake has taken a tough stance on the border since she began campaigning for office. Under her border plan, she wants to invoke Article 1, Section 10 of the U.S. Constitution, which she believes gives her the authority to declare an invasion on the Arizona border and respond to it.
I will issue a declaration of invasion on day one, hour one. First thing we're going to do. And we're going to send National Guard, we're going to send other resources, state resources, down to key areas along the border where people are coming in.
Hobbs, whose border plan has been endorsed by sheriffs in Pima and Santa Cruz County, says she wants to focus on providing more intelligence and resources to law enforcement and the local Arizona community surrounding the border.
I'm going to focus on making sure that Arizona resources are going to help those border communities and provide meaningful relief to Arizonans who have borne the brunt of decades of inaction from Washington on this issue. And we need Washington to act. As governor, I will work with our congressional delegation to help get comprehensive reform over the finish line.
Data from U.S. Customs Border Protection show that between January and August of this year, a combined 380,000 people crossed at the border at Arizona's Yuma and Tucson points of entry. Within that same time frame, the number of border crossings at the southwest border surpassed 1.6 million.